Good morning, buddy. This is Aditi Desai back with another video. First of all, I just want to thank each one of you for subscribing to Bike Bencher. And if you haven't, press the red button over there and subscribe to my channel to be part of Bike Bencher family. Talking about today's video is, in this video we're going to talk about something more informative and something related to motovlogging world. So in this video we're going to talk about how to build a good motovlogging setup on your helmet to get a good quality audio and a good quality video. So if you are an existing motovlogger or even if you are a beginner, it really doesn't matter. Just stay tuned till the end of the video if you want to learn something about the motovlogging setup. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you my new motovlogging setup and I'm going to reveal some amazing products out there which I use to build my motovlogging setup for motovlogging videos. And if you want to learn something out of it, stay tuned till the end of the video. But before getting ahead, let me tell you guys that whatever products I'm going to show you all in this video are not at all sponsored. So this video is a non-promotional, non-sponsored video. So if you want to learn something, stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's get started. So guys, the first product which we're going to talk about is the chin mount strap by Telesin. So this is how it is, this is how it looks. First of all, have a look. So this is a Y-shaped chin mount. This is a ready to go kind of a thing, like you don't need a two-sided 3M tape or an M-seal to fix this on a helmet. This just has two strips and two clip-ons. So you just need to take a helmet, you just need to put it on your chin, use these straps, use these clip-ons and fix it on your helmet. So guys, this is how you need to fix it. This is very easy to use and you can replace this with any other helmets you want. Just remove the clips, replace it with your next helmet and clip on it very easily. The J mount you can see over here, you get this free with this Telesin chin mount strap. This will cost you around 1000 rupees online on Amazon India. And if you want to buy this offline, you guys can go to any accessory shop, any accessory helmet shop. You will get it over there for rupees 800 to 900 rupees. So let's move to our next product. So guys, the next product I'm going to talk about is this. This is the GoPro Hero 7. So yes guys, I bought this action camera and here I go for 34,000 rupees. And why the cost of this camera is so high? Because this gives the best 4K footage you can ever have. I mean, there are different cameras available on Amazon and on Flipkart, but those cameras really don't give that kind of 4K quality which this GoPro 7 gives. And right now the GoPro 8 has been launched, and because of which the price tag of GoPro Hero 7 has gone down tremendously, like for 27,990. So you can buy this camera for 27,990 or you can go for a bundle deal for which you get some kind of GoPro accessories with this camera. That will cost you around 31,000 rupees. And if you are an existing motovlogger and if you want to improve on your video quality, go for this. And if you are a beginner, you should definitely think of buying this by taking out your savings, because you want to be the future best motovlogger. So you need to mount this camera on your helmet, and for mounting this camera you need a cage. So this is what I was talking about, the GoPro cage. This will cost you around 1000 rupees on Amazon India, and this product is really amazing because this cage has a slot over here, place over here for placing the audio adapter of your GoPro. So this keeps your motovlogging setup more clean and neat. This looks actually a little bit bigger, little bit huge, but it's actually not, because this is made of a fiber plastic and this is really very light in weight. So guys, before putting this GoPro into this cage, you guys need to keep in mind that you need to remove this side door first and then you place this camera into the cage. So first of all, let's remove the side door like really hard. Yes, this is how it comes. Right now this camera is a non-waterproof camera, so this will definitely get damaged if any kind of drops go inside this input. So you need to be very careful. Just press a button over here to open the cage. This is how it opens. So the back door is open. Take an action camera, put it inside, take the back door once again and just lock it up. So keep in mind, this is the GoPro Hero cage which will cost you for 1000 rupees online on Amazon India. So guys, now let's mount this cage on our helmet. So here is a chin mount strap, here is a J mount. You will need some straight extension mounts. You will also need couple of nuts to fix this over. So this actually looks really neat, and the thing which I was talking about, this slot is the mic adapter slot, and likely our next product is the GoPro mic adapter. So this is the GoPro mic adapter I was talking about. So this is in complete black color, and the size of this adapter is really small, that this is my finger and this is the size of the adapter. So this is how the cable gets fixed into the C input of the camera, and this adapter, this mic adapter will come for 3500 rupees on Amazon India. And if you buy this offline, like if you're from Mumbai, you will definitely buy from Bora Bazaar. So now let's move towards our next product, which is the last product for this motovlogging setup, is the mic. This is the normal microphone condenser mic. This is a Mona mic which I bought recently from Amazon India for just 300 rupees. So have a look at this mic. So this is the quality of the mic. This is really good, and this mic has a TRRS jack, and it also has one more jack over here, that is TRS jack, 3.5mm TRS jack. It comes with this extra one. So let me explain you what exactly this is. So this clip is the 3.5mm TRRS. That means this jack has 3 black rings over here. So this is known as a TRRS jack, and this adapter, this connector has 2 black rings over here. So this is known as TRS 3.5mm jack. The GoPro adapter is compatible with TRS connector. So what you need to do is you need to take this microphone which has a TRRS adapter. You need to plug it into this TRS connector and fix this straight into the adapter of the GoPro. So this is how it is, and the microphone which is hanging over here right now, you just need to place this inside your helmet. Like, you just need to tie this 6 feet long cable of this microphone inside the cheek pad of your helmet. So this is the cheek pad. You just need to stretch this out and put this wire inside it, or it's upon you how you manage this wire inside your helmet. And you need to fix this microphone straight near your mouth, like over here. So inside the helmet, if you see, here are the straps of the chin mount strap. You need to clip on this microphone on that strap, and it comes straight to your lips. So you can, whatever you talk on this microphone will be recorded easily without capturing any background voice. Many of the motovloggers are using expensive mics, like literally the mics which cost around 4 to 6k rupees, and it's really expensive to invest so much into the microphone for the motovlogging setup. And as a beginner, you really won't wish to invest so much in it. You just need to buy this microphone, that is a Mona microphone, which costs around only 300 rupees on Amazon India. Go and purchase it. The link will be given in the description below. All the product links are given in the description below. All are the affiliated links. Now we're gonna go straight and record some footage by sitting on a bike in different conditions, like in a traffic, in city, and also on highways. And we're gonna see how this exactly performs. So guys, अभी हम लोग check करेंगे the audio and the video setup. So the setting of this lens is, right now the GoPro is, it's on 1080 resolution with super view wide angle lens. So आपको पूरा इस मिरर से लेके इस मिरर तक ये पूरा व्यू मिल जाता है. अगर आप एक नॉर्मल लीनियर मोड लोगे तो थोड़ा छोटा होगा शायद से यहाँ तक, लेकिन अभी आपको पूरा व्यू मिल रहा है. So today we're gonna check what video quality we are getting, and even we're gonna focus on what audio quality we're gonna get in different conditions. Like first we're gonna check on 30 kilometers per hour speed within the city, then we will go on highway, we'll check around on 60 kilometers per hour, then we will check on 80 kilometers per hour, and then definitely we're gonna check on 100 kilometers per hour जो हम लोग ब्रिज पे करेंगे ईस्टर्न एक्सप्रेस हाईवे के. Let me tell you first before getting ahead that the setup right now is the GoPro with a GoPro adapter, Ulanzi GoPro cage, and also the Mona mic which I'm using for the audio setup with the adapter which we get free with the mic. So yes, let's move ahead. Let's check first on 30 kilometers per hour within the city. Let's go. So right now we are on 30 kilometers per hour speed within the city, within the gullies, and you guys can see what is the audio quality of this right now. वैसे जेन्युइनली अगर आपको मैं बताऊँ गाइस, मेरा पॉइंट ऐसा है कि मुझे ऑडियो क्वालिटी ऑफकोर्स अच्छी चाहिए, बट एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन द रियलिटी ऑफ द मोटो ब्लॉग, द रियलिटी ऑफ द फर्स्ट पर्सन व्यू, what exactly you're gonna feel while watching the video. So what I prefer is, आपको अगर ये motovlog देखना है, you guys should not only feel the voice of the host who's talking behind the camera, so आपको बाइक का आवाज़ भी उतना ही आना चाहिए, और जब आप बात करते हो तो you have to see to it कि आपका जो माइक है आपके वॉइस के ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस करे. So this is 30 km/h का ऑडियो क्वालिटी. So this is 30 to 35 km/h. This is what the qualities of this mic. थोड़ा बात करते हैं. So guys, this is what a metro construction is going on right now on Ghodbunder Lane. I am just behind the R Mall, and now just we're gonna go ahead and refill our Duke because हमको थोड़ा और थाने स्टेशन तक जाना है, क्योंकि मेरा जो बोया का माइक है जो मैंने लिया था मेरे फ्रेंड से चेक करने के लिए, सो दैट आई कैन बाय गुड ऑडियो सेटअप, तो मैंने चेक किया है और मुझे वो रिटर्न करना है. बहुत दिनों से मैंने घर पे ही पड़ा हुआ था, सो वहाँ पे जाके उसको रिटर्न करके आई हैव टू कम बैक. सो गाइस, दिस इज़ हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स व्हेन द वाइजर इज़ ऑन एट 30 km/h. 30 to 50 के बीच में अभी मैं राइड करूँगा. जो गाइस चेक, अभी वाइज़र खुला है. वैसे मेरे बाइक का आवाज़ बहुत है, तो वाइज़र जब खोलते हो तभी ड्यूक का आवाज़ कुछ ज़्यादा ही आता है. सो लेट्स गो ऑन 60 km/h. So this is right now we are on 60 km/h, and this is the audio quality of the Mona lavalier mic with the GoPro setup, with the GoPro adapter and the GoPro Hero 7, and the visor is closed. I just hope इसका ऑडियो क्वालिटी अच्छा है. मैंने भी पहले चेक किया, लेकिन अब भी फ़िलहाल के लिए कैसा रहा पता नहीं, क्योंकि विंड ज़्यादा है आज. आई जस्ट होप दी ऑडियो क्वालिटी इज़ गुड. यूजुअली जो ब्लॉगर्स, जो मोटो ब्लॉगर्स होते हैं, वो 60 to 80 किलोमीटर्स की स्पीड पे मोटो ब्लॉगिंग करते हैं. आई जस्ट नो दैट 60 किलोमीटर्स की स्पीड पे अगर माइक अच्छा हो तो आपका मोटो ब्लॉगिंग सेटअप अच्छा माना जाता है, नहीं तो फिर सब वेस्ट है. सो लेट्स ओपन दी वाइजर. सो राइट नाउ वी आर ऑन 60 km/h, और विंड ब्लास्ट तो वैसे बहुत है, बट आई जस्ट होप ज़्यादा उससे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता हो. सो इट्स ऑलवेज़ रिकमेंडेड बाय मी कि आप जब भी मोटो व्लॉगिंग करोगे तब आपका माइक सेट आपके चिन के नज़दीक होता है. सो इट्स ऑलवेज़ रिकमेंडेड कि वाइज़र आपका शट डाउन करो और फिर अंदर जो आपको बात करना है करोगे, ताकि उसका ऑडियो क्वालिटी थोड़ा और बेटर होता है जब आपका वाइज़र बंद करते हो. सो अभी ये ब्रिज चढ़ते हैं, एंड नाउ वी गोना चेक ऑन 80 to 100 किलोमीटर्स के बीच का जो स्पीड होता है, वहाँ पे देखते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स. सो पहले वाइज़र बंद करते हैं, एंड देन वी विल चेक आफ्टर opening the visor again. So let's close the visor first. So right now the visor is closed, and let's go on a speed of 80 to 100 kilometers. So right now I'm on a speed of 80 plus, and थोड़ा ट्रैफिक है यहाँ पे, but still I am trying to maintain this speed at least 80 के आगे, तो क्योंकि हमें ऑडियो सेटअप चेक करना है कुछ भी करके. थोड़ा रैश राइडिंग करना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि ट्रैफिक बहुत है और स्पीड लो डाउन नहीं करना है. सो राइट नाउ आई एम ऑन 94 km/h. सो ये वाले स्पीड पे यूजुअली मोटो व्लॉगर्स ब्लॉग नहीं करते, क्योंकि थोड़ा रिस्की हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपको पूरा हैंडल पकड़ना पड़ता है स्टिफली, और जब आप एक 200cc राइड करते हो तब 100 km/h का स्पीड आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगता है, क्योंकि बाइक का वाइब्रेशन भी बहुत होता है, और जब वाइब्रेशन बहुत होता है तब थोड़ा पैनिक मूवमेंट क्रिएट होता है बाइक राइडिंग करते वक्त. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल कि जब आप 90 to 100 के बीच होते हो तभी यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट मोर ऑन राइडिंग रैदर दैन मोटो व्लॉगिंग. सो अभी वाइज़र खोल देते हैं, खोल के देखते हैं हाउ इज़ द क्वालिटी. सो अब भी वाइज़र मैंने खोला हुआ है, और डेफिनेटली क्वालिटी थोड़ी कम हुई होगी क्योंकि विंड बहुत है, अब है ट्रैफिक, तो थोड़ा लो डाउन करना होगा मुझे. सो यू गाइज कैन सी हाउ द ऑडियो क्वालिटी इज़ परफॉर्मिंग ऑन 30 to 50 km/h स्पीड. ये जो स्पीड होता है इस पर यूजुअली आप बहुत कंफर्टेबल होते हो व्लॉग करने को, क्योंकि आपका बाइक का स्पीड आपके कंट्रोल में होता है और आपको ज़्यादा पैनिक होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो लेट्स पुश अ बाइक मोर टू 100 km/h. सो दिस इज़ बिटवीन 90 to 100. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स बिटवीन 90 to 100, एंड द वाइजर इज़ क्लोज राइट नाउ. और वाइजर ओपन करके मैं दिखाऊंगा नहीं स्पीड पे, क्योंकि वो ऑब्वियस है यार, इतने स्पीड पे वाइजर ओपन करोगे नहीं, क्योंकि अगर ये स्पीड पे वाइजर ओपन करोगे तो एक पैनिक मोमेंट क्रिएट होता है, और उसके वजह से मोटो व्लॉगिंग करना तो दूर की बात, आपको बाइक हैंडलिंग में भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. अगर आपके पास गोप्रो होगा और गोप्रो का एडाप्टर होगा You guys can purchase any cheapest mic like 150 रुपीज़ का माइक भी इस पे बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. अगर आप 5 और 7 हज़ार का माइक भी खरीदने जाओगे, जैसे 150 वाला करता है, सो वो भी माइक 150 वाले के तरह परफॉर्म करने वाला है. सो गाइस दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे. अभी बहुत अलग अलग सिचुएशन से हम लोग ने माइक चेक किया है. सो आपसे घर पे आके बात करता हूँ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. So this was it for the video. I hope this video helped you and you loved this video. If you loved this video, give a big fat thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit the button over here, the subscribe button, and be the part of Bike Culture family. Until I wish you next video, bye bye, see you, and please take care of yourself.